Spanner.
Yes.
Not today. Not today. Now we are not eating too much. You must tell our viewers you are not eating too much today.
Yeah.
How many now? 1, 2, 3. We are eating 3. This one now home. We are eating like home.
Yeah, family.
Family.
Yes.
Let's eat this food now. Huh? So let's say Bismillah. But I didn't wash my hands.
You never wash your hand now.
You wash already?
Yes, me I wash long time, so you can go on. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll take this one or I'll wash that side.
No, there's the water there by the tap.
Let me wash my hands.
Yes.
Let me wash you.
Wash your hands.
Yes.
No.
This food.
I'll be waiting for
you. I want you to see. Now home.
Go now. Go and wash your hands.
Kasongo, yeah. Mambali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mambali nanga. Angalia mama yake kama naye.
Neba nange.
Katonda wamanyi katonda waki.
Akawumbi kulimo. Friday.
Kasongo yeah. Mbali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mbali nanga.
Hey guy. This guy,
Why it take too long time to come?
Which long time? Me, I just go there and wash my hands. So my people, this guy go believe. My people, how can I believe someone? Me, I just wait. They come here to wash my hands now. There's no food.
My stomach is empty. Please wait for you. I'm very sorry.
Guy, don't do this.
Just finish this, please. I beg. Please, I beg. Don't be afraid, please.
Guy, how many papa I give you?
Please, I'm very sorry. Let me just take some more meat, please.
Again,
please, only this one, please.
This guy. Now viewers, see this guy. Me, I don't say that I want to eat this food.
Yeah, I'm very sorry.
I don't go.
I don't. So I wait for you next time.
I don't give you stuff anymore. Where is my